Hey guys, welcome to another Binance series video. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the sports section of your Binance account by showing you how to add coin to your watch list, transfer funds from your other account to your sport account, and also walk you through the interface you will see in your sport account and how to use those features. I will show you how to buy and sell your first coin. And as a bonus tip, I will be giving during or at the end of this video, I will show you the other type you should use while trading or while starting out as a beginner. This channel, I am Ade, and on this channel, I make tutorial videos on investing and trading apps. I teach trading strategies and also give market analysis on both stocks and cryptocurrencies, not leaving out the NFT market. How to make you a better trader and maximize profit in the market. On the Telegram channel, we often give free trade alerts. Right, the first thing I'm going to do now is to click on the wallet down here. Having clicked on the wallet down here, I came here to confirm if there's fund in my account. As you can see, we only have $5 BNB and USDT is less than $1. And for you to buy anything on Binance here, you must be able to buy at least $10 worth of that coin. Alright, what I'm going to do here is to click on transfer up here and transfer from one of my other accounts on Binance here. I will click on transfer up here. And from transfer up here, I'm going to select the account I want to transfer from. I will select USDT M features because that's the account I have money in. And I'll select which coin I want to transfer. I don't have BTC there, I only have USDT. So I'll select here and toggle it to USDT. Now I'll select the amount I want to transfer. Let's say in this case $50. Then I'll click on confirm transfer. You can see the transfer was successful and I've successfully transferred $50 worth of USDT into this spot account. And if you don't have money in any of your accounts, you can watch my other video on how to deposit on Binance. I'll drop the link in the description. After which I'll click the market down here. In this place, you can see different sections here. We have the favorite, we have the spot, we have the feature, we have the zone. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to stick with the sports. So I'll click on sports. And in sports, we have the BUSDT section, we have the USDT section, we have the BNB section, we have the BTC section, and we have altcoin section. So I love to trade in USDT, and I think you are going to love to trade in USDT too. So I'm going to click on the USDT section here. Feel free to use all these filters above here. I can change it by volume or change it by name. You can see that from Z, or change it by percentage change. I love to do it by percentage change, however. You cannot select any coin you want to buy. Now you can see that FXS is best performing here, but I'm not interested in buying FXX now. Let's look down if you can see another coin to buy. Oh, okay, let's click on Ape. Alright, in this interface, you can see the high of the day, you can see the low of the day, you can see the 24 hours traded volume. Click on this star here. That's how I can add Ape to my watch list. Also, you can see the line chart. You can see the 15 minutes time frame. You can see the 1 hour time frame. You can see the 4 hours time frame and more. You can click on more to change your time frame. You can also click on this toggle by this side here to add indicator or remove indicator or to add drawings. Also, down here you can see the order book where people are placing their buy and sells. Also, you can click on info to see what ApeCoin is all about. And you can see your alerts here when you want to set an alert. Probably when your price reaches a certain level, you should be alerted. Later on, I'm going to make video on indicators and drawings. Alright, the next thing to do now is to click on buy. In this place, we can see convert, we can see spot, we can see margin, we can see fiat, and we can see P&P. Now, if you click on APE USDT, it's going to take you to the spot market. Now you can toggle this arrow here to select market order. However, there are different order types you can use, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will click on market. Please note, when you click on limit, you can only input the amount of APE coin you want to buy. But when you put market, you can input the amount of APE coin or input total USD amount you are willing to spend on this coin. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to stick with market order. So, if I want to buy all my money, which is $50, or I want to buy with 50%. Now, in this case, let's just buy with 50% and click on buy. Now, we'll go back to the spot account and confirm. Now, you can see ApeCoin is not appearing in my account. So, that means we bought $25 worth of ApeCoin, right? So, we've bought the ApeCoin at $25, right? As ApeCoin price appreciates, the dollar value also will increase, while the amount of ApeCoin will remain at 1.94. Okay, please note that I'm selecting ApeCoin for the purpose of this tutorial alone, and it's not an endorsement for you to invest your money in. Alright, after we've bought our first coin, the next thing you need to do is to protect your downside. Now I will click on ApeCoin. Since I bought the ApeCoin USDT pair, I will click on APE USDT. And here I will click on sell. Here's number one pro tip. I'm going to change my order type from market to stop limit. My stop price will be the price I want the system to submit my order for sale. For example, I'm putting 11.20 here. My limit price is the amount I'm willing to take my loss. Okay, I'm going to input this as 11.10 or $11. Most times, it's better to leave your limit price lower than your stop price. This enables your order to get filled. Alright, then I'm going to input the amount of ApeCoin I want to sell. I'm going to input all. That's all the coin I bought. Remember, I bought it at $25 plus some few cents. Now, if I'm going to be taking at this loss, that means the amount that will be remitted into my account will be $21.34. Alright, if this is okay by me, I will click on sell. Okay, confirm. Make sure you read this, then click on confirm. You will see down here that the order did not get filled immediately. It's waiting for the order to reach 11.20 so that the system will submit my order and it will get sold at $11. So you can click here to cancel. So we've seen how to protect our downside. Now, this is bonus number 2, the pro tip. After doing your technicals, you realize that there is resistance at $16. So that means when ApeCoin reaches $16, there's a resistance there. So you are willing to take profit at that region, right? You might not be online when price will reach that target. So it is important for you to use this bonus number 2. Now what you're going to do is, from this limit here, click on limit, right? Input your amount here, which is $16. Now, how many of this ApeCoin do you want to sell at $15? I want to sell all. Immediately after inputting my haul, you will see the approximate price I'll be gaining as my profit when I sell at $16, which is $31 of worth of USDT. I bought at $25. Now I'm going to be selling at what? $31, which is my take profit. So If this is okay, all you just click on sell. You will see down here that the order did not get filled immediately. Why? Because the price of ApeCoin has not reached $16. When ApeCoin reaches $16, it's going to get filled and we are going to book our profits. Alright. Now you can click on cancel, and at this side here is where you can what? You can see all your transactions. So I will click on cancel. Now, in case you are willing to sell with using market order, you can just go back to the limit and then click all of the amount you want to sell as I've shown you. Then you click on sell. But once you use market order, your order will get filled immediately and you realize your profit or your loss instantly. Alright, I sincerely hope you enjoyed that video. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In the description, there are links to different brokers and exchange. You can sign up right now and earn reward. And watch the video you are seeing on your screen now to learn more about Binance.